Hello everyone! Today I'll show you Hotel Frapolli21, where I stayed in Odesa in June 2025. Lobby is stylish and spacious with cool frog paintings and comfortable couches where you can sit while you're waiting for your check-in. Here's also a luggage storage room and lobby bar where you can get drink or coffee. On the first floor also located a dining room where breakfast is served. Breakfast costs 300 hryvnia, so about $7, and it's a menu where you can choose from. It's one drink and one food item. According to Frapolli21 website, it's equipped with reliable security system, video surveillance, elevator access, as well as independent electricity and water supply. There is even a shelter located on a minus first floor. My room number 26 was located on the second floor. In this hotel, they use a card keys. Hello everyone, I'm in a new hotel, and this hotel called Frapolli, I guess Frapolli21, the correct name. And it's located on the Troitska Street, not far from Deribasovskaya, the most touristy street in Odessa. It's gonna be about 15 minutes walk to Deribasovskaya, and I'm gonna show you my room. This room called double deluxe room with balcony. It's cost around $80 per night. It might be a little bit cheaper in the low season, and it's in hryvnias, it's a little bit more than 3,000 hryvnias. Let me show you the room. Right near the entrance, here is the luggage rack, safe box, there's slippers on the bottom, shoehorn right next to it. Here is 2 ropes provided, and there is some pillow on the top of the shelf. It's, I guess, for the balcony chairs. And from the entrance, here's the bedroom. It's a queen size bed with like a lot of electric outlets, which is nice because it's nice to be able to charge your phone not getting up from the bed. This is sitting working area right in front of your bed. It's gonna be one chair, little coffee table, light, mini fridge, little alive plant. On a desk, what you can use like a desk to work on your computer, there's the tea kettle, some tea, sugar, no coffee, cups, nice to have some cups here, and complimentary water. And this is the TV. It's right in front of the bed, over the table. It's a room with a balcony, so here's entrance to the balcony. There is 2 chairs in the balcony. Little frog right here. To be honest, this is the only reason why I booked this hotel. And like in many places in Europe, people smoke in here, so here is the ashtray provided for you. Even though it was loud outside right there in the balcony, it's quiet in the room. For real, I think they have really good soundproof insulation. I still can hear the noises of the street, but it's not really bothering me. When you open a door to the restroom, here is the big full-size mirror, which is nice to have because on the previous hotel it was only half size. And here is the restroom. It has standing handheld waterful shower, some toiletries, hair and body wash, body lotion and conditioner, soap, cup, some shower cap, Q-tips and cotton discs, And they also have hair dryer and tiled drying hanger stand, not a stand, hanger, and a shelf. It was nice to have a balcony because the weather is so nice, and it was good to drink coffee outside. Also, they have lights what they turn on at night. This is my second night in this hotel, and so far my impression is really good. I would say this is my favorite hotel to stay in this area. It's relatively close to Deribasivska Street, which is about, for me, it took about 12 minutes walk there. I grabbed some cider and walk back super easy around 10. It's feel nice and safe. It's also doesn't have the ironing board in here, but it doesn't have ironing board, but you can get iron on the floor and bring it to your room while you need it. Place is nice, quiet. When I walked back at 10 p.m., I feel safe. And thumbs up for this hotel. They also have breakfast. Yeah, breakfast costs 300 hryvnias, and it's not a buffet. It's a set menu. You just order one drink and one menu item. I'm gonna show you menu in a second. And Frapolli, thumbs up. This is breakfast menu from the website. It looks like it's just a standard breakfast and offer like scrambled eggs with vegetables, and some cottage cheese pancakes with sour cream, avocado toast, guacamole toast. I'm not really sure what is the difference. Waffles, oatmeal with caramel, and you can choose one of the food item and also one of the drinks. They have regular espresso drinks like espresso, americano, cappuccino, latte, and also hot cocoa and hot tea. And to main party street in Odesa, it was only 15 or even 10 minutes walk. That's all what I had about this hotel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.